Hi friends! Today we're going to play a little shorter, longer game. This is kind of similar to one that we did at school. You're going to need a T-chart. And this T-chart says shorter and longer. You can make your own or you can print out the one on our Google Classroom. Shorter and longer. And you're also going to need a piece of paper, like a half of a big sheet, and a pair of scissors. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to take our piece of paper. Actually, I already started to do this, and then I figured I wanted to show you. You're going to take your piece of paper, and you're going to cut it, I guess either way you want. I'm doing it this way. So I'm cutting strips. Cutting strips. All right, last one. Okay, you can see I have, well, should we count them? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have 13 strips. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take each one and I'm going to cut it in half. So just cut it into 2 pieces. It doesn't have to be right in the middle. It can be anywhere you want. Okay, so not really in half, but cut it into 2 pieces. One should be bigger, one should be smaller. So let's see. Now, then I'm going to sort it onto my T-chart. You see, for shorter and longer. Now, if you have glue, you can glue your pieces onto your T-chart. You can do it however you want. This way, this way. This one doesn't really fit on here because it's too long. Like that. Okay, and then you just keep going. Let's see, so I'm going to cut it this way. And you look and see. Which one is shorter and which one is longer? The shorter one goes here. The longer one goes here. Let's see, keep going. Well, this one is a little bit tricky because I cut it closer to the middle. So I have to look really closely to see which one is shorter and which one is longer. This one is shorter. This one is longer. So I put the shorter one on the side that says shorter and the longer one on the side that says longer. Let's see, the next one, maybe I'm going to make it like really short and really long. This one goes on the shorter side. This one goes on the longer side. Let's keep going. Let's see. And you can compare them. Remember, when you're comparing things, maybe I'll move this back up. When you're comparing things, you want to line up the bottom so that you know which one is, so you can see at the top which one is taller. If I line them up like this, I might think that this one is taller, even though it's clearly not when you do it the right way. Okay, so you want to make sure when you're comparing things, you put them the same at the bottom. Okay, and so on and so forth. Let's see, so I'll cut this. Which one is shorter and which one is longer? Compare it. Shorter, longer. And remember, the longer ones go on the side that starts with the word. So each side says shorter or longer. And longer starts like l, l, l. So it's the side with the letter L. The side with the letter L. These ones are kind of close. Let's see. This one is shorter. This one is longer. And shorter goes on the side that says shorter. And shorter starts with what sound? Sh, sh, sh. And remember, sh, sh is one of the tricky ones that has two letters that make one sound. So sh, 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 like in shorter is what two letters? Does anyone know? S and H. S and H. Let's see. So make sure you're putting your shorter ones on the side with the S and the H at the beginning, and your longer ones on the side with the L on the side at the beginning, not on the side. You see? And you might notice when you're looking at your T-chart that shorter and longer both end in the same letters. That's an E and an R. It says R. All right, this one is my last one. Maybe I'll make this one a really tricky one. Make it really close. Oh, friends. Let's see. Oh, it's so close. This one is longer and this one is shorter. And let me show you my finished product. Let's see. Excelente. So, my friends, if you glued it, then you're all set. If you didn't glue it, then you can take your pieces after you've sorted them and turn them into letters or shapes. Let's see. Or whatever kind of artwork you would like to do. Think of, you can make it into a self-portrait or use it, glue the pieces and then draw around them to make whatever you'd like. Okay, hope you enjoyed our little math activity, and I'll see you next time.